Does opposition to Obamacare have anything to do with race? Well, depends on who you ask. Senators Jay Rockefeller and Ron Johnson got into a heated exchange over this very issue.
I'll be able to dig up some emails that make part of the Affordable Care Act that doesn't look good, especially from people who've made up their mind that they don't want it to work because they don't like the president. Maybe he's of the wrong color.
It was regrettable, and I would say it was offensive. Seeing as I'm the only one in the room here really talking about opposition, that you would play the race card. Please, don't assume, don't make implications of what I'm thinking and what I would really support. You have no idea.
I actually do, and God help you.
No, Senator, God help you for implying I'm a racist because I oppose this health care.
I did not imply that you're racist.
Let's play back the tape.
So is opposition to the president's health care law racially motivated or purely political? Here's what the numbers say. According to Gallup polling data, politics are the biggest factor in how Americans view the health care law. Republicans are 17 times more likely to disapprove of the Affordable Care Act than Democrats. Independents are as much as 5 times more likely to disapprove than Democrats. When it comes to race, whites are 4 times more likely to dislike Obamacare than non-whites. However, Michael Tesler, a political scientist at Brown University, found, quote, racial attitudes have a significantly larger impact on healthcare opinions in fall 2009 than they had in cross-sectional surveys from the past 2 decades. MSNBC's Joe Scarborough came to the defense of the GOP, saying that he's never heard that argument before.
I have never once heard one of them say in the Deep South or in the Northeast or in South Boston, boy, I really hate Obamacare because that black president.
And Senate Majority Leader Harry Reid shared his opinion last August.
They're doing everything they can to make him fail. And I hope that it's, and I say this seriously, I hope that that's based on substance, not the fact that he's an African American.
Even Oprah waited.
Yeah, I think that there's a level of disrespect for the office that occurs. And that occurs in some cases and maybe even many cases because he's African American.
So what gives? Are politicians really playing the race card?
You've got this huge racial difference in terms of perspectives on ACA. And Republicans are politically taking advantage of that. Democrats realize it, and so they're trying to find some way, if they sort of, also kind of push back against some of that dog whistling, or at least give the perception that they're pushing back against that dog whistling.
Racially motivated or not, Obamacare is still ginning up the base on both sides of the aisle.